Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today I've got for you my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of August. We're unboxing this and we're also giving away one of the items to one of you. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of August. It is the Juvia's Place Allure 3 palette. Kind of looks like this on the inside. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box below where it says current giveaways. It'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter that one. And giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun laid back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button and mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I did that big one for our 1,700 subscribers. So if you haven't checked out that video, I'll leave that in the description box down below. It's also under current giveaways as well because there's a huge one in that. So somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. So this is the Ipsy Glam bag. It retails for $13. It has 5 beauty products in it, mainly sample sizes. Every once in a while you will get a full size, and think makeup, skincare, hair care, that sort of thing. And there's always a makeup bag as well. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out and haven't checked them out before. That code will save you a little bit of money and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. That code is just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Michaela Part 1 palette from Glamlight. And I have this one in the crease, this one kind of in the outer corner, and this one is a transition shade, and then I have this blue one here down on the bottom. So this is what the bag looks like for this month. I love the kind of pull tab that does say Ipsy on it and kind of in the shape of a palm. And then the inside kind of looks like this, obviously with the zipper on the top. So what Ipsy says about this one is Palm Fronds Breezy Prints Tropical Shades. This month's bag design will transport you to vacay state of mind. Get ready to check in and unwind. Yes, please. I need a vacation. Mama needs a vacation. So the first thing in here is a clean beauty product. It is from the Beauty Crop. It's the Avocado Superfood Serum. This is a deluxe size. Prep and hydrate your skin with this nourishing milky serum packed with avocado oil and hyaluronic acid. Kind of looks like this. So this is another clean beauty product. I did pick this one as my choice item. This is from BeautyAmaB Hair Care. It's a Curl Charisma Rice Amino plus Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. It is a deluxe size sample. Obviously it's a curl hair cream. This stuff hydrates, defines, and weatherproof curls without making your hair feel stiff and crunchy, thanks to a mix of hardworking anti-frizz, minimizing rice amino acids, avocado oil, and quinoa extract. Love this. I need to leave for a couple days, take my son to school, so this will be perfect. So from Jasmine Beauty is a Luxe Lash Volumizing Mascara. This is a deluxe size sample. It's a lengthening and curling, volumizing and conditioning. What can this mascara do? It gives lashes a dramatic, thick, sexy effect and lasts for 24 hours without smudging or flaking too. From Ariza is a Glow Up Lip Balm in Peach Tea. This is a full-size product. It does retail for $17. Hydrate, help heal, and tint your lips all in one quick swipe with a nourishing balm. It's infused with vitamin C and E and plant extracts like watermelon and rose to provide long-lasting moisture without feeling sticky or tacky. So let's open her up. Obviously, I have stuff on right now. I don't want to put it over the top of it. Ooh, that'd be really nice. I mean, you can barely see it there. It's kind of like right here where it's all like tacky feeling. The last thing in here is from Pistache Skincare Hydrating Eye Cream. This is a deluxe size sample eye cream. The fast absorbing eye refresher goes on smoothing, helps to even out under eye skin. This is a deluxe size sample. A potent moisturizing fluid that helps to diminish visible signs of aging around the eyes. This formula harnesses the power of pistachio oil to help hydrate and refresh. So I thought it was okay. Last couple months, I think I got spoiled because they were putting eyeshadow palettes in them. What did you guys think? What did you guys think about this box? Let me know. Secret word is pistachio. So let's give away that pistachio oil eye cream for today's giveaway. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Now you can get bonus entries, and what you do is if on the form itself, there's a spot to mark that you did do the entry. So you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did the bonus entries. How you get bonus entries is one way. Go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. Second way is if you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB followed by the number 1. And your third way is if you share the video. It really helps me out when you guys tell your friends and family about it. Share it on your social. It really, really does help out the channel, and I appreciate that so much. So do make sure to mark on the form, put on it your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed to the channel. And don't forget to put that secret word on there as well. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. Giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's let this giveaway go through September 9th at midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on September 14th, this is what I'll do. I'll take first name, first initial of their last name, and then if they did the bonus entries and I check them and everything's okay, I'll put that into my computer. The computer spins all the names around. Everybody sees it happen. There's no monkey business here. And the computer picks it, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So I can't wait for one of you guys to win this. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. When you do, YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye.